Is Austin silly? Say silly, Austin. Can you say silly? Kendall. Austin, get it for her. Say get it, Austin, please.
Princess. Good enough.
Thank you. Can you say mommy?
Mommy.
Mommy, good girl. Oh, how sweet. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy. Can you say memo?
Mama.
Can you say Austin?
Adi.
Can you say Corey?
Gooey.
What about Peppo?
Poo.
What about Daryl?
Daryl.
Daryl. What about mommy?
Mommy.
What about Kendall?
Oh.
No.
Say Ken.
Go.
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 That's right. Kendo.
Can you say I love you?
You.